Good morning, everyone. My name is Alex, and I am a senior consultant at Amazing Consulting Firm. We specialize in brand strategy and crisis management. Thank you for giving me the chance to present my analysis of CNC's POW POW product. The goal of this presentation is to explain the current situation after the POW brand scandal. I will look at both internal and external factors that have affected it. Today, I will not give recommendations yet. Instead, I'll focus on understanding where CNC and POW stand right now and what we need to think about before moving forward. Let's begin with a short background. CNC is well known as an innovative company in the beverage and snack market. It has built strong connections with young audiences through creative and fun branding. In 2010, CNC launched a new drink called Pow Pow, designed to be playful, youthful, and healthy. The product was meant to mix wellness and entertainment, and at first it was a success. But things changed quickly. The advertising campaign received strong criticism for being cultural insensitive, and CNC's first response on social media sounded off defensive. Within days, online criticism spread. Traditional media joined in, and CNC's reputation started to suffer. What began as a marketing problem turned into a larger issue about trust and company identity. To understand this situation better, I conducted a situational analysis looking at both external and internal factors. Let's start with the external environment. Customers today, especially younger ones, expect brands to be inclusive, authentic, and socially responsible. Cultural mistakes can spread online very fast and cause serious damage. Social media allow information to move quickly. A single tweet or post can create a huge public reaction in hours. This means companies must be not only creative but also careful and culture aware. Competition in the beverage market is very strong. Many smaller brands are winning by focusing on sustainability, diversity, and ethical sourcing, values that customers care about deeply. Crises now happen in public and develop fast. Companies can't hide. They must respond with transparency, empathy, and honesty. CNC faces tough competition from smaller and more flexible brands. These brands are very good at digital marketing, storytelling, and working with influencers. CNC, on the other hand, has great size and strong distribution, but its communication style is more traditional and slower. In today's digital world, audiences expect quick, honest, and emotional responses. So, CNC needs to adapt its communications, tone, and structure. Our research on customer sentiment shows an important change. The Pau Pau scandal not only caused anger, it also showed that many young customers already felt CNC was disconnected from their values. Modern customers want brands that understand them, that care about diversity, inclusion, and social impact. Once trust is broken, rebuilding it takes time and consistent action. The positive news is that many customers still like CNC's main products. This means there is hope for recovery, but only if the company shows it has learned from this experience. Let's now look inside CNC. The company has many strengths: a strong and established brand reputation, a wide and efficient distribution network, a creative and capable marketing team. However, the crisis also revealed weaknesses: slow response to social issues because of long approval processes, limited diversity in decision-making teams, which may have caused the cultural mistake in the Pow Pow campaign, weak coordination between marketing, PR, and corporate communications, leading to mixed messages. These weaknesses don't mean the team is not skilled. They show that CNC's communication systems were designed for another time, when control was more important than connection. I want to talk about SWOT summary: strengths, strong brand reputation, large distribution network, experience in innovation. Weaknesses: outdated communication structure, slow crisis response, limited cultural awarenesses. Opportunities: reveal Pow Pow as inclusive and values driven, work with diverse creators and influencers, improve transparency and digital engagement. Threats: loss of customer trust, competitors gaining ethical advantage, continued negative media coverage. This is what shows that the crisis, although damaging, also offers a chance for CNC to evolve and modernize its brand's culture. Okay, let's summarize the key points from this analysis. The Popo scandal shows deeper structural and cultural issues within CNC. The external environment now demands authenticity, inclusivity, and emotional intelligence from all brands. CNC's internal strengths, such as innovation, experience, and brand power, are still valuable assets from recovery. The main challenge is not if CNC can recover, but how it chooses to act and communicate in the future. To move forward, CNC will need humility, openness, and a commitment to modernize its systems and values. To finish, I want to emphasize one key message. This crisis is not the end of Pau Pau. It's a turning point for CNC. If the company focuses on authenticity, learning, and inclusion, this situation can become an example of brand recovery and cultural growth. Thank you very much for your attention. I look forward to discussing the next steps and sharing detailed recommendations in our next meeting.